What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Terrance Gibson here, just coming to you with this awesome opportunity from Manifest FX. Manifest FX. You have to get into this family. It's the be all, know all, everything Forex. Everything Forex. Anything that you need Forex, we got it. We got the Autotrader. And there's always a disclaimer. Financial disclaimer, don't invest anything that you can't lose. Only invest what you're willing to lose. And make sure that you know that your investment is your investment. But the percentage and the returns that are coming from these auto traders is crazy. 20 to 50%. 20 to 50% is what it's been known to do. But I'm going to show you what it did for us on day one. For day one, we were like at close to 4%. So 4 times 20 is 80. But remember the disclaimer. I'm just trying to tell you what it did for us the first day. Manifest FX. We about to jump into it. I'm going to show you the video, our 1 minute spill video. Then I'm going to go through it a little bit. And then we'll try to make this video short. All right, without further ado, here is, matter of fact, I'm going to share my screen. Bring up the video. Enjoy. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scroll back on this video. It's a lot of great things in this video. I just want you to see all the different things that I was just telling you that we offer in the video. Make sure I ain't miss nothing else. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna go a little faster because since I can speed it up and fast forward it. All right, there we go. So the power of 6.6 trillion that goes through the forex market daily. So that's between Sunday night at 5 o'clock all the way till Friday at 5 o'clock. That's how much money is going through the market. So the power of $6.6 trillion a day through the market. So you times that 5, you talking about $30 trillion in a week. Our AI technology, it works for you. Like I said, the known return on investment percentage per month has been between 20 and 50% for the bots. Our bot did 4%, close to 4%, right at 3.9, between 3.9 and 4% the first day. So if you times that by 20, you had almost 80%. So that's over 50% if it continues doing what it was doing. That's amazing. The first day. Normally on the first day, stuff go haywire, stuff go all over the place. These guys on point. Everything is awesome, fresh out the box. We launch on the 4th. Today is the 1st, so Happy New Year's to you that see this video. Even if you see the video after the 1st, Happy New Year's. We have what sets Manifest apart? Everything. You got the leadership. Awesome leadership that's transparent. They tell you everything. There's nothing hidden, no hidden agenda. Our tools and education. The AI bot is just one part of this. We have manual trading that has them up over 300 and something pips and in a trade. I don't know how long we've rolled gold all the way into the sunset. It's crazy. You're getting manual trades. We're pretty much signals. You're getting signals daily. You're getting multiple signals daily. You're getting academy where you can go in and learn Forex for yourself. You can read, learn about pips, learn about the candles, learn about the different names of the candles, the different signals of the candles. We got everything you need. We got a comp plan. This is crazy. You can't beat it with a bat. You can't beat it with a bat. Can't beat it with a bat. Lifetime specialty monthly price. You would have to see this video or met somebody else that's already in here by January 4th to get in at the 105 price. It's 149 for the Platinum Elite. But to get in at 105 for life, you would have to get in by January 4th. So hopefully you've seen this video before January 4th. All right, let's go ahead and roll. Like I was telling you about those returns. This is the return that this bot has done. So you can see $30,000 was entered into this account. $40,000 was withdrawal, and it's still $40,000 in the account. So 10 more thousand plus the 30 is still in the account. Here's the $50,000 profit from this. Look at the gains. 782% gain. This is over a year for this account. That's crazy. That is crazy. 782% gains. Look at that. You can't beat that. Look at the drawdown. 15.69%. It's awesome. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, it's awesome. All right, let's see. Go a little further. These are the packages. Like I said, if you come in for January 4th, it's 20, 30% off of each of these packages. And this package is cheaper now too because it's going to go up. So this is the price for this package. But these two packages are cheaper. You just take the 20 to 30% off. And here's what the trading bot, 20 to 50%. Remember, income disclaimer. This is what it's been known to do. So we can't, even though you'll see it be done, we can't just say that's what it's going to do. So these are the things that you get. Like I told you, education, harmonic scanner, exclusive elite trading ideas, access to standard trading bot. If you come in at the elite, which still does a great job, you come in at platinum elite. This is the level I came in at. Then of course I'm gonna grow to this level. You get everything you get in the elite, but you just get a platinum training bot that does 20 to 50% per month, PM per month. You put your money in a bank account, you ain't getting 3% in a year. And when you get the royalty, it bumps you up. So you get everything you get in elite. Access to 3 platinum elite training bots. 3 of them. That's just trading on your money. Obviously, you got a nicer size account at this time. And this account, you can start with 500. This account, you start with 250. And these are the returns. This is crazy. You can't beat this with a bat. Not with a bat. All right, let's go a little further. All right. So, first level of your professional. So your personals, you'll get 15% total revenue on monthly subscription. That's on everybody that you bring in on your first level. So think of that. Out of 105, 15%, that's 15, 16, $15 and some change. It ain't gonna be 16, that ain't enough money. But if you bring them in at the royalty level, you make it 15% off of 240 49 is going to go up to 300 and something. 15% on your first level. And then after you refer 5, you open up your second level. So you get 5% off of all the people you brought in, all their people, depending on where they come in at. If they came in royalty, of course, you're getting 5% of that. If they came in at 100, that's $5 off everybody. So somebody bringing about 100 people, you getting $5, $500 check just for your person working their business. And after 10 personals, which we have a split with the company, we do a 75-25 split. So since the AI is doing all the work, they're managing the AI. We don't have to do anything. This is really a set it and forget it. The most work I got to do is talk to you on this YouTube. Set it and forget it. Other than the fact of learning and doing the manual trading. That's part of the academy. But when it comes to the AI, you don't do nothing. You sign up, you set your account up, and then it just go. That's it. That's all you do. So once you get 10 personals, they're going to give you 20% of the 25% that they take, that they split with you at the end of the month. So that's going to turn into 5% that you get back. So they'll only be taking 20%. So you'll be like 80-20 split. That's crazy. That's crazy. 5% bonus on all the profits made by the software from anyone you referred. So everybody that you refer, when they do the 75-25, they take 20% of 25% is 5%. So that 5%, they're really going to be 70. It's going to be 20, 75 for the person, and then the other 5% going to go to you. So everybody, you going to get 5% of what they trade. So what do you got to juggle with $100,000 account? Or say they're making $100,000 monthly. What if you got a couple royalties under you? That's a pay plan all by itself. You wouldn't even need everything else. You wouldn't even need your own account. Making 5% off of somebody that got a couple $100,000 account. And while I say that, because people do, let's just keep rolling. Let's just keep rolling. Just show you where it is. Some people got $1 million accounts. And you know this as Forex. This is Forex. This ain't no joke. These are more incentive rewards that come as you do what you do. So not only at 10 are you getting that 5%, you also get an iPod, the Apple, the AirPod Pros, and a pay to live merch, or $200 cash. So you just want the money, take the money. 25 Mac Pro. Look at that's crazy. All this is crazy. Look at this. Rolex, 250. 7-star Dubai trip. Only 7-star hotel in the world. You're talking about the one that sits right there on the beach. It costs like $10,000, $15,000 a month, a day. I'm sorry, a day to stay in. Oh my gosh. When you get to 1,000, 6-continent trip. They figured Antarctica was too cold and nobody want to go there. So everywhere else, find some spot somewhere in there, or just take the 20 G's. Go where you want to go. 2,500 personals, 75,000 cash, a Range Rover or a G-Wagon. Whew. Man. 5,000 personals, a Lambo, a Ferrari, or $150,000 in cash. Man, and people do this. It's going to be too easy to show people. What we're going to do, start doing, and you're going to start seeing a whole lot more of us, everybody putting their results everywhere, all over Facebook, all over IG. And people are going to be swarming in this thing like crazy. You're not getting these returns nowhere else. Income disclaimer still, but you're not getting these returns anywhere else. Manifest FX. So at this time when I'm filming this video, everybody is just coming in under Manifest FX. You're getting with the person that showed you the video. They get your email address and your phone, but you go here, you pick your package, you pay the discounted price between now and January 4th, and then we'll just keep your information, and then we'll just let them know you came in under us. But once we launch after the 4th, we'll all have links and we don't have to worry about this again. But this is just what the company is doing just to help you get in at this price. They don't even have to do this. We can say, you know what, we're just gonna wait and just start on the 4th, but then everybody miss out on this price. But their hearts are in a better place. Giving out all these discounts, all these rewards, all these benefits, and still paying you like crazy. I mean, you can't get the best of both worlds. It's too many streams of income in this one business. You got the manual trading. The manual, depending on how good of a trader you are and how much you trust your pips, if you're not just doing 0.01, you're doing like one, you're making like $500 off of the pips. You might make $1,000. Some people do 1 0 point, do a 10 up on that mug because I'm saying people do different things in their account. You know what you do in your account. If you at 0.01, you're gonna be making some chump change. But you put 0.1, then you in the tens of dollars. You be in the dollars with the 0.01. You be in the tens of dollars with the 0.1. Now, if you do a 1, then you're in the hundreds of dollars, close to the thousands of dollars. It's just crazy how it goes, depending on the amount of pips, is where you're going to be at. So that's just a manual trade. Then you got the academy, was teaching you the skill set. That if you want to go out later on, I don't know if you have to, but you can. You'll be so sharp as a trader, you can just start teaching people everywhere. Or come on board and just help and be one of the trainers. We're going to need more and more and more to think. The more and more people that come in this, we're going to need more and more people teaching. But you'll have that skill set for life. And that makes you branded. You can't beat that. That takes you on another pedestal. Having a skill set that nobody can take from you. That's bigger than money. Then you'll make a whole lot of money with it. So you got the manual trading. You got the Autobot that's trading for you. All you got to put money in it and just let it go. Just let it go. Income disclaimer too. Let it go. I mean, it's just crazy. I don't even know what to tell you. Then you got all the rewards that we just went over. Then you got the compensation plan. There's too many streams of income. Too many. Then the streams within the stream. You get the what you call it? You recruit 5 people, and then it opens a whole nother level of the second level. And you don't know who you might recruit in your first level. They might go out and they might be the person with the 5,000 people trying to get to Dubai. And you're making 5%. And what if half of them are royalty? I mean, the income potential here is crazy. And I'm just still talking about the AI bot though. The AI bot will set you free by itself. So don't go to our 6-0 record for manual trading. Haven't lost a trade yet. So I don't even know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. You got to get in this. I don't want to make this video too long, but you got to get into this. Here's our starter page. Manifest. Let me get rid of that. Manifest FX, the future of Forex trading. Pre-launch. Live now. Packages below. Autotrader returns. It returned in 2020. Like I said, we already got Friday was the first day that it worked, which was Thursday, the day before New Year's. Everybody got right at almost 4%. So especially an auto trader that treats everybody the same, depending on how much money you put in, your 4% look a little different than everybody else's 4%. But it was 4%. So if you put in $2,000, you was right at about $75, $80. If you put in $500, you was at $18, $19. But that's a day. If that keeps up, income disclaimer, if that keeps up for a month, 20, you got to think about 20 days times 4 or times 3, that's 60%. Let's just say if you do 3%, it drops from what it did before. And it does 3%. 60% increase in 1 month. That's unheard of. You could you got all this money just sitting in the bank or money just sitting wherever it's sitting. Take that money and throw it in there. Let it work for you. Let your money work for you. Stop working for your money. We're called paid to live, not paid to die. We not paid to die. We paid to live. So that's the small package, the pro package. I mean, you can come if you just want the education, if that's what you choose. But most people are not. We just go ahead and just say that package ain't even there. Because you got to think about it. But I mean, it explains all the things that's in it, but it doesn't come with the auto trader. So it's everything. All this is great if you just want to learn how to trade. You want to take the manual trades. You want to get the skill set. You don't want to be bothered by this auto trader that's making close to 4% a day for whatever reason in the world that is. And obviously, you got to have a separate account. So you can't be doing manual trades and auto trading from the same account. So you got to split those up. So you got to have two different accounts. So you put your manual trading money in one account, put your other trading money. I mean, you don't even need that much to really start manual trading. Put $500 in an account and just manual trade off of that. Take it slow. 0.01. Leverage that out. Do those lot sizes at first. And once you got those lot sizes going, then you can move it up. As you see and you trust the system more and you see these wins, then you can move them up. But then just remember, when you took the 0.01 and you took like a 300 something pip trade, like one of the trades they took last week, it was more than 300. Matter of fact, I think it was like close to 700 pips that it went just following gold. So I mean, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, $89 elite, which 20% off till, which is really now January 1st, January 4th. So you still got 20% off. So you come off here, you get the elite trading bot. But you gotta think about it. Right now, Platinum Elite is $149. $105 all the way until January 4th. $105 for an auto trading bot. And you gotta add the 20 to here to the 50. This is an older slide. So it's 20 to 50%. 20 to 50%. You can't beat that. And that one says 20 to 30, which is still a good bot. Both of the bots are excellent. This is up to you which one that you want to trust to get to where you want to be. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. But wherever you land, you're going to land well. And it's just the Autobot. This is what we have available. I mean, it's crazy. You can't beat it with a bat. This picture right here goes over a lot more about the package. Let's see. I'll make it a little bigger. We don't really need to see homeboy. All right, that's a little too big. Let's go right there. So like I said, once again, you got the elite package, platinum elite package, which has everything the elite package has, but more the platinum elite trading bot, access to the elite trading AI software. But you got everything else you need inside of there for the academy and everything else you need. You got everything in here that's in there. It's just that the bot is a little stronger, more virtuous on taking your trades. And then you got the royalty package, which you got 3 of these bots in here working for you in here on different accounts. 3 of them. Your money's growing like crazy. So I'm not going to be here long. I'm definitely going over here. But I'm going to start building my team. And as my team builds, and then we all start moving from here to there, we'll do it all together. First 500 customers, and this is another giveaway. Look at this. Who joined a draw in a MacBook, iPad Pro, and an iPhone 12 Pro. First 500 customers. We're not at 500 yet. So you still got some room. But come January 4th, I can't tell you where you're going to be. So we have 4 Telegram chat groups. We got a Facebook group. We are killing it. It is beautiful in here. I don't know what else to tell you. This AI is killing it. Matter of fact, let me see. Let's do this real quick. I'm gonna go away from here. Where's my Facebook? Let's just make it. Show you the web page real quick. Our Facebook page. Here we go. That's one of our owners, Josh Phelps. Just our Facebook page. I mean, you can't join unless you're already in there. So they got the questions to show you, and it's just different people showing different what they made. Just the other day, I just want to go to mine. That's just the other page, just like we went through that has the man on it. There's everybody posting what they made. So depending on what, however big your account was when you came in, I just want to show you mine. There I go. So I came in with 501, and I made $18.97 in one day. So if it continues to do that, oh my gosh! I mean, just trying to play with the numbers in your mind is one thing. Let me go to where my handy dandy homeboy. What is it called? Circle. What's that? Circle Markets. There we go. And it's a calculator that you can use too, just to help you get more motivated. So after you finish watching this video, which is longer than I expected to be, but hey, I don't like just jumping off. You go to Circle Markets, compound, and you can see it right up there, calculator. Come down here, and you figure out what you want to start with. So say you start off with 500, and the percent per month. It only does monthly. I wish it did daily. Percent per month. You know what? I think my other calculator does daily. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. And one thing you know, my videos are not scripted. I'm just real. If you like somebody that's real, stick to my videos. If you want somebody that's just all over the place uh and trying to be scripted, let's see. All right, so the interest rate is say 4. I'm gonna do this for a day. Let's go 3.7. Let's just do 3.7 interest daily. Compound intervals. Let's make it. Yeah, it was daily. Is daily. And how long you want to do it? We're gonna do it for 12 months, and that's how you break this down. So this is if you come in with $500. Okay, that's not right. Let me go back to let's do to make this monthly. So that's going to be interest rate daily. Um, and let's see what this is. That was good numbers though. No. Hold up. Okay, let's do this. Let's go say 20. This is the lowest. It says that you can get 20 monthly, compound interval monthly. How long we're gonna do it for 12 months? Calculate. All right, that's more like it. That's more like it. Matter of fact, I could use the other calculator for this. That's more like it. For this is what you turn $500 with a 20%. That's just that 20% that you're making monthly. And if we already made right at 4% in 5 days, if it continues, income disclaimer, we'll already be at 20%. So say it's a 50%, like with the same 500 that's what you came in. Oh my gosh. You see the difference? 50%. monthly versus the 20%. Go back to 20. Oh, no, leave it alone. Calculate. $4,000. If you get 50%, $500, 50% monthly. Matter of fact, let's 50. That was a crazy number right there. Let's go with 30. I just want you to see it growing so you can see that the numbers are not lying. Let's go to 40. See, the bank can get you 40, right? Right. Won't your bank get you 40? No, not monthly. Okay. 50. That's crazy. That's compounding. Start with $500. So if it's doing more, we're just gonna stop at 50. Because it says 20 to 50. I went from 20 to 50 to show you the difference in what you would get depending on what your number. So say if your account, you just put another zero on there. That's at 20%, $5,000. That's if you just get 20%. And this down here shows you how your account grows. It shows you how your account grows. This is crazy. And this one is a little bit, this is the calculator site.com. I'll go back to the one that I had up the first time, my circle. Where we go? Circle markets. It kind of does the same thing. So you start your balance, 500. The boy said we was gonna get 20 per month. The number of months was 12. That's what we're gonna do the year at first, just for a year. Comes up to the same 4,500, right? So say if you go to 30% times 12 months, $11,000. So, okay, I mean, I didn't want this video to be this long, and I apologize. But do you see that number right there? Do you see that you took $500 and turned it into almost $12,000 and with just 30%? Like, and I already showed you that the returns we're getting on just that one day was over 3% for that one day. So if it's over 3% for that one day and it's 30%, you would have to have, that would be in 10 days that you'll be at, you'll be over 30%. You'll be closer to 40% in 10 days if it keeps on going the way it's going. Income disclaimer. Got to keep saying income disclaimer. Probably only got to say it once in the beginning, but hey, I'm just going to keep saying it because these numbers are just crazy. So I'm just going to keep saying income disclaimer. But you see the numbers right in front of me, right? That's if it does 34. Okay, so say it just do 40%. We're almost at 4% a day. That would take 10 days to get to there. Look at that number. I mean, it's almost hurt my eyes looking at it. And that's a $500 account. Did you see that? This is the total per month. So this is not per day. You could probably trick it. No, if you put per month, it'll still add it up. But these are the numbers showing you how your account grows. Look at this. This is crazy. Look how it's just quadrupling. Had to make up a word, quadrupling. Can't say quadrupling. There ain't no quadruple. That's crazy. Look at that. Because 504 times is $2,000. That's $28,000. That's what the number is right there. So say if it does 50, does the maximum of what the website says. Anybody see that number, man? I just hurt my eye looking at it. $500 account. And I know I'm getting a little bit into it. I like being extra, but I'm just letting you see. This is circlemarkets.com right here. You go to this website, you play with this calculator. That's if you came in at $500. That's if you came in at $500. So say if you came in at 5,000. Let's go back to 20 because I don't even want to start that high with 5,000. Matter of fact, let's just go to 10. Say the website, the software just was drinking the night before, every night before it's time to even triple your account. You took $5,000 and turned it into almost $16,000. That's at 10%. So let's go to 20. That's almost 9 times your account. 9 times. Okay. It's going to get painful, but we're going to put this 30 in there. 30. 6 figures. That's a $5,000 account. So you took 5,000. Put it in this account. And then, oh, that's one of my guys. I'm going to get with him about this in a minute. Put it in this account. And it just did 30%. It only did a little bit more than what it's been doing for everybody else. It only did, it's like, it worked halfway for you. And you send over 6 figures? 6 figures. And this is compounding daily, not taking nothing out. But you can see in a bit where you can take stuff out in the middle of this. It's not going to be 116,000. It's going to be a little less, but this is if you don't touch it. This is if you don't touch it. Say if you just want to go hard for 6 months and then you take the money out later. See, at 24,000, see the difference. It doesn't really start jumping until month 7. Look at it. See month 6, month 7. Look at that. It's going 10 now. You go to month 10. See? Then you go to month 12. Those last 2 months. If you see down here, this is when it jumps. 20, 30. Well, still in the 20s. But it's $116,000. So the longer you compound, the more it gets to be. And that's just 1 year. Say if you could just set it and forget it and you just, shoot, look at that number. That is $63 million in 3 years. What can you do? Okay, this is how America's built. Hey, son, go to school for 4 years. I'm gonna pay $150,000 out of my pocket so you can go to school for 4 years. And then when you get out, you're gonna get you a nice $35,000 job. Okay, how about, hey, son, I don't have $150,000 for you to go to school. So what I want you to do is, I'm gonna give you this $5,000. I want you to help me around the house for 4 years. And then once your account fixed, you can just take your account and go live your life. How much money would you have, son? What? I'm trying to keep up with the numbers. Oh my gosh, that's $1 billion. I didn't think it was going to be that high. $5,000. 30% return for 4 years is $1 billion. That's $1.5 billion. You hanging with Trump and them now. You know what I'm saying? You're a billionaire. 4 years. Just letting it sit. So that means if you do have an account that you're going to live off of, you need to have one just sitting on the side that's just doing this day. Let's say you don't have that 5,000. You just did where are we at? 294 million. Oh yeah. I don't think you're hurting. It's less than for 1.5 billion, but 294 million. In 4 years with $1,000. With 30% return. But remember, the bot is saying 50. So say if you get a good 50 out the bot, even though, like I said, we're on track for 79, 80, 75, between 75 and 80%. I don't even know what this number is. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, $283 billion off of $1,000, 50% a month for 4 years. I'll say you just was happy about. If you just did it for, it's 129,000, you touch it after a year. That's with the 1,000. With the 5,000, it was 648,000. Well, if you can go 2 years, 1, 2, $84 million. Okay, you want to go to community college? That's a 2-year program. Hey, son, I got $5,000. I'm gonna put it in Manifest FX for you. I want you to help me around the house for 2 years, and then after that, you can have your account, and I'll pay you at the end of 2 years. Sounds good? Yes, Dad, sounds good. And that's at 50%. So I mean, if I don't even want to put it in here, but let's just do. I'm not gonna go. I'm just gonna do 70, just in case, just to let you see. This is 70%. 1, 2, 3. That's still $1 billion in 2 years with a $5,000 account. On what it's doing right now. Look at these numbers. So what retirement program are you on at your job for those that work that you can put $5,000 in and you will get the percentage? I mean, just go back to the 50. Let's go back to the 50. That's 1, 2, $84 million. You ain't even making $84 million. But taking $5,000 with a 50%, which is lower than what we know the bot can do. For 2 years, not touching it, $84 million. I don't know what else to tell you. But what I'm going to tell you is this Manifest FX. I'm your boy, Terrance Gibson. Jump on my team. We're all a big family. You'll be my branch of the big family. Like at the family reunion, you got this husband and wife family, that husband and wife family. You'll be under my branch of the family. We're going to take care of you, get you in there. I got a lead service too that's going to help you get some leads. We got everything that you need to grow. Grow, 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 grow. And really, you're not even doing nothing to grow this. So the first thing is find out how much money you're going to put into your brokerage account. Remember, that's your broker account. That's your money. You have access to that. Nobody else touches that money but you. Look at that. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't think there's nothing else for me to tell you. Hit me up. Like, subscribe to my channel. Let's get busy. All right. Love y'all all. About to bounce about this piece. And I'm out, people.